Karan Jekli Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today we are going to mount this. So what is this? This is my PreSonus condenser mic on this. So what is this? This is my tabletop mic mount. Okay, so today I'm going to mount this on this, and guys, this mount on which I'm going to mount my mic. So it comes with two attachment. One is for the mic mount and it has a pop filter, and it also has a holder to hold your mobile phone or tablet, so that while performing, in case you want to go live on Facebook and so on. So guys, first we are going to do a quick unboxing of this, then we are going to mount this on the table, and on this I am going to mount my condenser mic. So guys, for the full video, all of you stay tuned. So guys, while opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 3 Omani Reals for this mount. That is equivalent to about $8. Okay, so this is not a premium quality mount, but I think it can do the job. I think it can do the job. Okay, so let us open it. Let us see what is inside. Okay, so guys, this has a small pop filter, then it has an attachment to hold your mobile phone, so you can use this. You can put a mobile phone in this in case you want to go live on Facebook while you are performing. What else? Okay, so then it has this snake mount, okay, on which here you can put your mic, and here you can mount your mobile phone holder. And then what else? It has a tabletop clamp. So guys, now we are going to fit it and then we are going to test it. So guys, this is the clamp, and you see here is the space. This clamp goes in here, and then we can tighten it on the table. Okay, so before we can do that, I will fit the mobile holder also on this. Okay, so I think it goes like this, then this comes here, then later you can tighten it. Okay, so this attachment is ready. This is already there. Now let us mount it on the table. So now let us mount it here on the table. So I keep this here like this, and the upper part of the clamp, it goes in here. Okay, so then we need to tighten it so that it is securely mounted. That's it. So guys, now this is mounted. Now we are going to mount our condenser mic and pop filter on this stand. So guys, here is the mount for the condenser mic. So simply I'll put the mic in this, okay, and then we attach the XLR cable to my condenser mic. So guys, this mount, it comes with these rubber bands, okay, so which are required to reduce the vibration. So here there are sleeves. Yeah, so now I'm going to put these rubber bands on these sleeves. Okay, okay, so now the mic is tight. The mic is tight. Now we are going to install the pop filter on it. And guys, here is the pop filter. So it goes right from here and here, then we tighten it. Okay, so little minor adjustments we can do here and there, and we are good to go. So guys, now your mic and pop filter, okay, so they are installed on the tabletop. So guys, the good thing about this setup is, the good thing about this setup is, in this setup, so let me just change the angle. Okay. So guys, the good thing about this setup is, in this setup, your mic is close to your mouth. Okay. Earlier the mic was down on the table, so I have to bend and I have to speak in the mic. So here the mic is close to your mouth, and now we have a pop filter, and hopefully the audio quality will improve. So guys, that's all in this. Soon I'll be uploading more videos related to home studio setups and home recording setups, and how you can sing karaoke and how you can record your performance and things related to it. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.